Welcome to our product selection videos, where we help you find the right tool for the job. This video is about our scraper selection. Remco and Viken's wide selection will cover any scraping tasks you may need to do. They are all hygienically designed without any seams or cracks, making them easier to clean and limiting harborage points for microorganisms and allergens. As with all of the tools in Remco and Viken's hygiene range, our scrapers are made from food contact compliant materials. Let's have a look at the hand scraper range. They are all designed for cleaning small spaces and rounded equipment. First is the Remco hand scraper. It's ideal for loosening stubborn debris, including pastry dough, chocolate, and burnt food. The polypropylene material reduces the risk of scratching sensitive surfaces. It comes in 3 and 4-inch widths, and both sizes are available in metal detectable material. In addition to those, there is also a 4-inch high-temperature scraper available. The high-temperature scraper can be used in up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit. The hand scrapers are also available in stainless steel in 2 different sizes. These color-coded scrapers are excellent for removing stubborn debris from smooth surfaces. The scraper's beveled blade loosens dried pastry dough, starches, chocolate, and burnt food. Its ridged blade and ergonomic handle stand up to heavy and repeated use. Next is the bench scraper and the mini bench scraper. These 2 color-coded scrapers are an excellent solution to your benchtop scraping needs. These are ideal for working with doughs or other sticky materials. They are also both available in a metal detectable material. The last hand scraper is the Viken Flexible Hand Scraper. With a 3-sided scraping edge, this flexible hand scraper is perfect for cleaning workbenches and conveyor belts, as well as emptying containers and buckets. This product is also available in a metal detectable version. Next, we will have a look at Viken's handle-mounted scrapers. All of these scrapers have threading and can be attached to any Viken handle to effectively clean hard-to-reach areas. First, we have paddle scraper blades. These are ideal for scraping the remaining food stuff out of containers before the cleaning procedure can begin. These paddle scrapers are available in a flexible and a non-flexible version. Both are designed with a thin, sharp edge to facilitate efficient cleaning and emptying of large or medium-sized food containers. It is not suitable for loosening stubborn/dried-on debris, or for use on abrasive surfaces, or for impacting against hard objects. This is the Remco Table and Floor Scraper. It is ideal for removing stubborn food debris from floors and stainless steel surfaces and equipment. This flexible nylon scraper can be used with any Viken handle. Also ideal for table and floor cleaning is this stainless steel table and floor scraper. This one is great for removing stubborn food debris from floors and other surfaces. It features a stainless steel blade and a threaded neck, allowing for use with any Viken handle. The last scraper is the Remco Food Hoe. This is a unique scraper that is designed for both push and pull applications. It has the strength to move almost any type of product without breaking under pressure. Lightweight and long-lasting, its flat and arched edges make it the perfect tool for use on straight or curved surfaces. Thanks for watching our overview of Remco and Viken scrapers. And as always, if you have additional product questions, please visit our website, viken.com, or contact our customer service team.